Are you guys ever curious on how I'm able to make $10,000 every single month in a gutter cleaning business as a single operator? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what I do to make that happen so you can do it too. What's going on, guys? Brett Patrick here, owner and operator of Good Boy Gutter Protection, a local gutter cleaning company based out of North Carolina, and the founder of Gutter Cleaner U. I am here to help you guys take your business from 0 to 10K plus every single month. If you're brand new to the channel, thank you so much for being here. If you do not mind, go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell, and give me a comment, man. I'm so grateful that you guys are here. So let's get into it. Just to catch you up, I started my company about 9 months ago, and starting the very first month and every month since then, except for one, I was able to do over $10,000 a month in sales as a single operator. How am I able to do that? Well, I'm going to give you the tips and tricks in this video exactly how I did it. So stay tuned for that. So check me out. Obviously, I talk about knocking doors, going out, generating leads, gutter cleaning, gutter guards, gutter repairs, pressure washing services, all these things. But at the end of the day, I lack the economy of scales, right? So economy of scales is like compounding. If I got 20 sales guys and all the sales guys do one sale, then it's going to really stack up quicker. And if two of them did 2 and 3 and the economy of scales, it just really blows up quickly. But when you're a single person, I can't multiply. I can only just do 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it makes it more difficult to get to a number like 10,000, especially when I'm selling a service that's on average somewhere between 150 to 250 bucks. It takes a lot of them to make that happen. On top of, I have to do the work that month as well, right? So how am I able to do that? The name of the game is this: upselling. So what I mean by upselling, what I mean by that is once I make a sale from a customer, my next sale is to try to sell that same customer another service. And I do this all the time. It's what allows me to keep my pipeline full as well as increase my average ticket price per customer. So let me give you an example of what I mean by this. So let's say I go out to a customer's house. They want a quote on gutter cleaning. I get them a quote on gutter cleaning. I sell them on that gutter cleaning for, let's say, $200. Okay. So they're excited about it. They sign the quote, ready to rock and roll. I get them scheduled out for a week or two, and I go out to do the work. So unlike you guys, what I do is I pay attention when I'm out there cleaning the gutters. I'm looking for additional services that I could provide to this customer. Now, I'm not looking to just sell them anything. I'm looking to make sure they need these services that I can offer them. And I'm going to recommend them because I'm a good person and they need the services. So I'm going to recommend them. And if we can make something happen in exchange for some money, then that's a win-win for everybody, right? So I'm out there cleaning the gutters. While I'm cleaning the gutters, if it's a roof that I can walk on, I'm going to be taking a look at the roof. I'm an ex-roofer, so I know how to do roof repairs. I don't know how to do like full-blown roofs, but I can do like minor roof repairs, changing pipe jacks, shingles, things like that. So while I'm out there, I'm looking around. I always look at the pipe jack. That's going to be the rubber collars around the PVC pipes. And if those appear to be rotten or dry rotten, or there's holes in them, I'm going to recommend that to the customer. Hey, while I was up there getting your gutters clean, I noticed that a few of your pipe jacks are starting to dry rot, and these are typically the first place that a leak starts to happen. Here's a photo, 2 or 3 of them. I show that to them, and they almost every single time go, oh man, I need to get that fixed. Is that something that you do by chance? It goes, yeah, it is a service that I offer. So my pricing on that's really simple. I just do $50 per, so you got 3 of them, so I can get those done for you for an additional $150. They're like, great, sounds good. That's an upsell. I just took a $200 customer and add an additional $150 on top of that. So now I have a $350 customer that I took from $200 to $350. Another example of this would be if I'm out there cleaning the gutters and then I notice that the gutters are really sagging down or there's some issues inside of them. I can recommend a gutter tune-up or doing some form of a gutter repair, and that typically will allow me to add additional services above me onto the gutter system. Same thing with pressure washing. Ever since I added on house washing services maybe 3 or 4 months ago, this is my go-to. I'm out cleaning the gutters. I get there. I notice the siding's got algae and debris and mold all over it. Hey, while I was out here, I just noticed that the house is, starting to get some organic matter on it. That is a service that I offer for your home. I can get that done for $250. Oh man, that sounds great. Sometimes those things turn into multiples. Cleaning the gutters, hey, the pipe jacks, the house wash, boom. Next thing you know, I've taken a $150, $200 customer up to $500 or $600. So the name of the game is upselling, and you do it from an ethical standpoint. I don't want you out here just making stuff up and causing damage to roofs just so you can get a sell out of it. But when it makes sense for that customer, go ahead and offer an additional service that you offer. So what if you don't offer all these services? That's perfectly fine. You can learn them, right? So gutter cleaning is one thing. Learn gutter repairs. Gutter repairs is going to be your most natural progression as far as an upsell. Knowing how to swap out a downspout or replace an inside box miter, or correct a sagging gutter by using hangers or sealing up leaky seams. Those are easy things that you can add on. So a couple of these services that you can look at adding on are this. One, gutter tune-ups, what I was just talking about. Two would be gutter guards. If you don't know how to install gutter guards, it's extremely easy. Watch some YouTube videos. People will show you how to do them. And just make sure you do your homework on which product makes the most sense for that customer. Again, do not just sell any old gutter guard because you can. Make sure it's going to work. Gutter and roof repairs, like I was talking about. So being able to replace a few shingles and or swapping out some pipe jacks is a really, really easy sell. Most customers get absolutely fearful when you talk about roofing. So I do all my roof repairs and swapping out pipe jacks on a regular basis. Again, as long as you can do it. If it's too steep, don't get up there and lie to a customer. Soft washing, so that's washing the exterior of homes. If you want to get into full-blown pressure washing services, you certainly can. Getting you a surface cleaner that way you can clean concrete and all that kind of stuff. But another one is really advantageous for you if you have the capacity to do it would be soft washing a roof. There's some serious money in that. Typically, you can charge anywhere from $400 and up, depending on the size of the roof, for getting all the algae and mold and debris off of the top of a roof. So these are just a few of the services that you can offer, but this is essentially how I'm able to do the $10,000 mark almost every single month, and that is because I'm turning small ticket customers into medium and large ticket customers. I don't do this on every single customer because I can't, because it doesn't make sense for everybody. But like if I'm on average taking 150, let's say I have 150 5 times, 2 or 3 of those customers are turning into a $300 to $500 customer every single time. So it takes my weeks much shorter, right? So if my goal, which is $10,000 a month, is $2,500 a week, essentially, so 25 times 4 is 10,000. Well, if I'm able to do 25,000, but I can get it in 400 and 500 increment chunks per job, I'm going to get to that 2,500 significantly quicker than if I was to do a bunch of 150, 200s over and over again, right? And a good rule of thumb is try to get to $500 per day. So I hope this video helps, guys. This is the absolute tool I use to help get me to that $10,000 a month much quicker. And I've had several months over 15,000 as a single operator and the only sales guy in my organization. So I appreciate you guys. If you like the content that I'm pumping here, please consider subscribing, liking, and all that good stuff. Also, if you are in the gutter cleaning space and you're looking to take your business to the next level, check out Gutter Cleaner U. It's going to link below. I just dropped the new gutter cleaning sales and marketing 101 course. So go ahead and check that, guys, out, and be on the lookout for some cool deals coming out on Black Friday. As always, guys, keep them clean.